Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Phantom Wallet for Solana dApps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Phantom Wallet for Solana dApps, start by downloading the Phantom Wallet extension. Visit the official Phantom website or your browser's extension store. Click on the Add to Browser button to install the extension. Once installed, the Phantom Wallet icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Click on the Phantom icon to open the wallet. If you're new to Phantom, select Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including creating a secure password. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. After creating your wallet, follow the instructions to log in. Now, navigate to the Solana dApp you want to use. Click on the Connect Wallet button on the dApp's interface. A pop-up will appear prompting you to connect your Phantom wallet. Select Phantom from the list of available wallets. If prompted, confirm the connection request within the Phantom wallet. Once connected, you will see an indication that your wallet is linked to the dApp. You are now authenticated and ready to use the dApp with your Phantom wallet. Ensure you have a sufficient balance in your wallet for transactions. Always log out when you finish using the dApp for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.